This commercial space is waiting for you. This huge metal warehouse building offers 18,600 square feet with 4+ offices, 2 bath, 2 newly DMAC cranes, cost new $196K, 3-phase power, new wiring and conduit, 2005 14 by 16 entrance door. Office building can be residential/office 10 by 40 with half bath, heated and cooled. Cinder block warehouse building is 58 by 40 with 3 offices, bath, heated and cooled. Parts room 25 by 38 with upper level storage 24 by 60 and additional attached 58 by 64 heavy parts room. Overall 26,900 square feet of space. All of this is located on 3.74 acre lot, with half acre and chain link fence lot. Multi-use facility on Route 60.